signing deals behind the veil. Another city burns while the cameras never fail. Ukraine's fighting for breath, rockets paint the sky in red, while a mother prays for sunrise over ruins of the dead. Gaza cries in famine, hunger screaming through the night. Ceasefire on the paper, but the streets still ignite. South China seas rising with the tension in the waves. Gray zone moves in silence while the world looks away. We keep watching, scrolling, numb to all the pain. History repeats, different leaders, same game. The world's on fire, but nobody listens. Truth gets buried in political prisons. Lines are drawn, more blood on the wire. Every generation born into the fire. Scream, born into the fire. Nomads play chess with 1,000 human lives, while every promise spoken is another thin disguise. Landmines take the children, leave the future full of scars. The innocent keep dying, it's somebody else's war. The West and East maneuver, who's the next to take the fall? Every nation flexing muscles in a powder keg brawl. Refugees are running from a home that doesn't stand, carrying the memories in the ashes of the land. We keep shouting in the storms that never change. Power feeds the greedy, we're the ones who break. The world's on fire, but nobody listens. Truth gets twisted by the ones in the system. Smoke in our lungs, we're choking on liars, trying to survive in a world full of fire. Are we just numbers on a map they redraw? Are we just victims of political law? We won't take